So here I am on my iPhone, and I'm going to start the Perplexity app, which I've downloaded for free. And as you can see, it prompts you some popular questions that are being asked on Perplexity. How many stars are visible, and so on. So you can ask it any questions, and I'll just try to do a couple things for fun. So it says, ask anything. What book was the Oppenheimer movie based on? Okay, that gives a pretty straightforward answer, and it even has references. You can scroll down and see what the references are, Wikipedia, so forth. And it also gives you some related questions, but I'll ask it a different question. What was the Barbie movie based on? It's based on the Barbie fashion dolls by Mattel, as you would expect. How about this? Which movie had the highest box office, the Oppenheimer or the Barbie movie? Okay, the Barbie movie beat out the Oppenheimer movie. And again, it gives you references. So again, it gives you related questions. So it's a lot of fun, and the advantage over ChatGPT is that it can search the internet live. It's not based on content that stopped in, I think it's September 2022. So give Perplexity a try.